How to download Filza File Manager on iPhone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can download Filza File Manager on iPhone. So for that, first of all, you'll have to open your settings, and after coming to settings, ensure that your network is stable, and then scroll down and search for this screen time. Once you find screen time, just click on that, and after clicking on screen time, scroll down and search for content and privacy restrictions. Now click on content and privacy restrictions, and here you can see the toggle button is on. So make sure that this toggle button is off. If it's on, just click on it and it will get off. After doing this, come to your app store, and here come to the search bar and search for Filza File Manager . Make sure that it is this one. It is made by Filza Freiburg. Make sure this is the correct one. And after that, just click on download. I have already installed it, so it's written open, but for you, if you're downloading it for the first time, it will be written get. So just click on that, and after that, just click on your Filza File Manager, and you'll be able to use your Filza File Manager. So that was how you can download Filza File Manager on iPhone. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.